Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May Allah's peace and blessings be on each and every one of you. My writings in the 90s. Among the books which I wrote is one called Funeral Rites in Islam. This is the hardback design, and it was based on Shaykh Nasiruddin al-Albani, his work on funeral rites in Islam. It isn't a direct translation. It's presented using material from his work as well as from other works on funeral rites, because of the fact that so much shirk is involved in funerals that most people are completely lost. They have no idea. They're engaged in practices, etc., which are not in conformity with Islam at all. And rites around the graves, etc., is what leads to shirk, worshipping those who are dead and even worshipping Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, etc. So there needed to be something in English. I mean, there are things written in Arabic, but nothing in English at the time on the funeral rites as a book. There were writings, articles, etc., which could be found in other texts which were published, texts which included all of the aspects of Islam, etc. But this was dedicated to the funeral rites. And alhamdulillah, it received a good welcome amongst English readers who benefited tremendously from it, especially in countries that are far away from the original centers of Islam. MashaAllah, we ask Allah to accept it and let it be a furqan or clarifier for many who are confused about dealing with the dead. Barakallahu fikum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.